He's a very dangerous human being. So your banner say okon saloon, obetum de drogu inkunim ekun. Oye nipa bi a okuni bari into oye dangerous human being. Ne maame a ochemo no wo no, awie ne maame nan. We oye beifo. Inti we want Ghana for to see dangerous people a omo yeso mbeku jo Mahama ene ne yere. Ebia ebe kai mo. We mu ena Mahamudu Bawumia etamusika ko yi omo free eye prison. Say we mu de NPP no bebo omo ho ban. If you say etimu pa eda omo tim no, ono Bawumia ne yere eye de ensemere. Nobody can stop this platform. We will make sure we keep the NPP in opposition for 42 years. A promise Mashe Onyankopon medema komatua onyameso ashamebo. So obefameso keep the NPP in opposition for 42 years. They are never coming back to power again in the name of Jesus. Now, Ediana Eswa Ghana menti and Ipebiki Kansem. Team, are we good? It's exactly 4:39 p.m. Team, are we good? All right. Masaudu, also there, myself for TV, so minimum you. Now, before we do the no, I will say a clear and sunny static Jumadino, and these are very, very, very important things. We number one, boy, we your friend of Prince Ofori, aka Fanti Comedy or your criminal. This boy, this boy, okay, yes, assassin president, coup president, as you see him, he's somebody who is a very dangerous human being. You should not underestimate such a person. Or a dangerous, unanajo, ewo kukum, ewo sumu, na oba, bon ho bain, because waka, ewo fremem, ewo internet, to say, onya president obekuno. Me, what I do is say, if you're on social media, and I say so social media, and I say when you so now we share a DBH and a picture BH and a blank page BH ekasa. I don't see you as a human being, so I don't address you. So what's study me pa? I don't address people who are not bold to show their face. I only address people who thinks that they are bold and they want to face they're in the law. I'm gonna address me when you go on TikTok, when you go on Facebook, pages are a name original faces say anywhere obi anywhere or you bold, they are cowards. I don't address such animals. I only address people almost you bold. They want to face the law. Those are the people I address. And such a person, your friend of Prince Ofori or your criminal. Uhuni mame, uhuni papa, amonkanya so walk from for udini. A branch we can so be president, etwana yiriti. On an Ghana, uhuna na jo fa, nebia onam sumu, onam kiosk biachi. You doom light now huna bon ho ban or a dangerous human being or see obeku president there and there we nipa bi obetumekum or to fear o ankwara ho mo mantem mo hwe se sa brantie we de bia na mabom ho ban efri ne ho or a dangerous human being. The dean at the Prince Ofori, he is a criminal. He's under criminal investigations and the original court are buying ehwehwe ni nsemu. This boy is a very dangerous human being. He said on social media he's going to he wants to assassinate the president of the Republic of Ghana. So anywhere you see this boy, making sure say wejina wa bon ho ban bibi ne kuta wa fa bon ho ban because obetumi atoasha also anytime. Also obeku president onya akora obeku no onya nipa bia obeden obeku no. Into these are the people ayede omo nyina enim ebetoto so na ewiase ehu omo because the years to come no e was so omo ma eno mobusiafo behu the kind of things omo ye. So wherever you see this guy, your friend of Prince Ofori eno one Ghana card so in comfort friend no Fanti Comedy or your criminal or your dangerous human being. Now the next person or your another dangerous human being or your cromfo. Your friend no Daniel Adom-Otchere. Daniel Adom-Otchere. Amanfo bi friend no Obama Pokuase. Se Obama Pokuase. Nenimnie Daniel Adom-Otchere. He's another dangerous criminal. Onenam Ghana. Also edi ewudie nyoma ebegu Facebook. Etuo bomb. Any idea okachire Ghana for mebunu se. Sa nyoma we ni nyoma omo ekra sene ebe omo betumi edi ediewu ewo Ghana. Na ono ne party ne NPP. Ekwan bi ombefa so edi sa nyoma no ediewu no ombefa so edi abutu oman no. Eno enema aban efa abrantie we se omekirekire ni nsemu. Nti ye ne wote he se ohuna na dwofa na onam kiosk bi achi ebi apokuase na ote ebi oti school bi nchen na onam ho na ohuna na dwofa hwe ohun ye because odiewu oyenipa bonini ebia na etuo hye no ho obetumi abo obetuo ku no obetumi eku yire oye wudini a ewo se de bia no ohuna wo hwe ohun ye se one wo ba na ko school a ana ne ba ne wo ba na ko school a twa ne ba ne picture na fa brɛ na Ghana fo hu akwara a wawo no se ne be ya odiewu na ye behu bebia ne ba ne te the din e de Daniel Adom-Otchere Oyewudini, he is a dangerous criminal. He is also part of the group who were arrested. Mahamudu Bawumia Eka say he likes what they are doing. Omudi sika ekoyi omo efri jail. The din ede Daniel Adom-Otchere, aka Sir Obama. Obia, Obia. And we are doing this till we die. We are not done. This will be put out there forever and ever. Abayua we ne maame na yetwa oyebeifu a wawe ne maame nan baako. Ni din ede Yaira Abel. Yese ne busuem no ukotietie ma ode ne maame nan ekoje ode kosi a wa abeifu krom. Now omo share on social media so omo ka say omo beku president omo betwa ne tietwa ne yiritina na abayua we ka ho. Ni din ede Yaira Abel. Yaira Abel. Ne maame sebio ye twa de nine dadam na enyam ne maame ne fault eya bayua we ni wudi a wodi e no fa so ye twa ne maame nan efiri ho oye nipa bi a ne hu ehu yie uhu na anadwo uhu se onama. Be very careful about this lady. Oye sankofo no mo ka ho bo mo tirimu po se omo beku president eku ne yere abayua we oye Ghana ni oye kromfotechi amoabo atma we a dangerous woman. So uhu anadwofa na onam omantem se adiasa onam kiosk echi onam baby no ayedia no opewudie di because ni tirimu no waka ama enyina yehu se onya president obeku no ni din ede Yaira Abel ne maame yare dadam e na onam se okuku president ono ene de ne maame nan ekwa abefo krom ko carry ya ende yetwa ne maame nan a ne maame yare a na odwene se sa ba yiwa we e bobra papa bi je be sibra tutu ene atantan dia oye ena sebio ende abetene to nti so hu na ka se wa ba you away na o ka so betwa president ti no wo na wo ne NPP fo bi akɔhye kukuom mosimo beku president no nti hu no na hu ne ba hu se omo ye murderers. These are dangerous human beings. She's a very dangerous human being. So your ba na say okɔ ne saloon obetum de duru agu nkunim ekun oye nipa bi a okuni bare into a dangerous human being. Ne maame a ochimo no wo no wa hwe ne maame nan we oye beifo. Inti we want Ghana for to see the dangerous people are omo yeso mbeku jo Mahama ene ne yire. De bia ye bekai mo. Now inti ye come nyina boma we mu ena Mahamudu Bawumia etam sika koyi omo free eye prison. Say we mu de NPP no bebo omo ho ban every say etimu pa eda omo tirim no ono Bawumia ne yire. Eye de ensemere omo ebe bonkofo we hu ban ama ewudi omo pese omo di president Mahama ene ne yire no Bawumia ene ne group no ka se de omo beye bia abo omo emomo di Mahama ewu eku Mahama ne yire no Bawumia ne nkofo se omo beboa enti ye chi akronfo miensa we gu mu no eye Mahamudu Bawumia ena sebio ogiremu evye call from omo e ka kire omo se we mu de omo ye nkofo ye na ne esoma omo se omo nko na omunko plane no mkoku president na enda ni achi omu dia obefa phone afro mu ewo jail inti omanga se bekan ye e kire se Mahamudu Bawumia efre omu ewo police cells time omu da ho no e hye omu kran se ma omu nsuro na oka omu ho efri se oboabo sika no abeyi omu efri eyedien jail
kran ba ko bae e ma ofre ma sas ye me san begina anim ama doctor ne ye kasaye
okay
na wo kwa keke na omo da inside na te se Dr. Bawumia na ya kasa no omo se baby ayeda no omo sere yan beda VIP
e wo se ho no eti se ho na mo da no Dr. Bawumia free e ma mo e wo bi phone so
obi fi abontin ka se doctor person
so le mo kasa na mo ne ko ne kasa e
ti ni para de atola
no ka good to see you when the kasa the doctor had you are not seeing me amana ne kasai
ya kemi ensanyi na me aje nkwani se Obama
pampa
ya the doctor kasai no she nkran se politics de sa na te oyi ya ma ogina ya chi nsuo mu awiamu no she ya bose up to na te oyi ya ma ogina ya chi nsuo mu awiamu no she ya bose up to Monday de Monday name bro so da sanete oyi ama ogina ya chi nsuo mu awiamu no hye ye bose up to Monday Monday name bro so da
edi amobafi
enti peninya kasa
enti akronfo we ebo mutirimu posom beku eye president in the year no Bawumia sa afa phone from and a brantie now no white say fruponko no ka kire radio so wontumi say oh Bawumia show mo boss say ewiemo esummo obebo mo ho ban eyi omo free jail amama sa betoa omudwuma bonni omo peso mudi so enti we kire say time a plane crash na happen here no ade a wo sa Bawumia ekoye Mahama fie o say osunya no boa time Bawumia ko eyi na se no ye say okwa ko console omo nyina no boa o nipa bonni ni adwere bonni woni trim Bawumia mo ni jimi is a dangerous human being. Enti nipa 8 omu ye no Bawumia was excited in his home. He was happy. Bawumia was happy that 8 people died. He would have even celebrated more sanka John Mahama nanko kansa crash no ho because sanka on celebrate ya anka on kan kofo we say upon the oma ye ya chi omu ni nyina no ewiemo esumo obe make sure say obe bo ho ban. Bawumia is a dangerous disease. So I'm making you understand. And we cannot forget gestures, support, the intentions behind actions. And this is what you don't have to forget. Now, yanko yenim. Wait, your friend Paul Adom-Otchere. Paul Adom-Otchere, Obianim Paul Adom-Otchere is a criminal. He's another political criminal. We are getting his kids' videos and pictures ready. This guy is under investigation by the special prosecutor. He's also another political thief. Per the special prosecutor's statement, Paul Adom-Otchere has stolen from Ghanaians and they are investigating this guy. He was in fact put in jail for a day. So this guy too cannot be taken away or be excluded from people who have done Ghana harm, people who have deliberately decided to commit crimes against the state, Ghana. His name is Paul Adom-Otchere, a very dangerous character. He went to jail, came back to tell us that some chiefs in the Asante region, and him for be Asante region, the pressure to system no so MAE or no Kronfoni free prison. Or so bit is a Mensa Otabo or Freyana on that if you say Paul Adom-Otchere Kronfono, na Mensa Otabo air supporting the Krono. No. These are his own words. Paul Adom-Otchere came out and told the world to say, the oye and the ma and the ire is supporting into ordenema and the ire or the betu social media TV so edema enim into the manner our woman, especially a man or woman, they are all potential criminals because Omo Papa willingly put them on national television to tell the world to say, these are my offspring. These are the criminals to be. These are potential criminals. Paul Adom-Otchere is a filthy, dirty criminal who is under investigation per the special prosecutor's statement. So per the special prosecutor's statement, Paul Adom-Otchere, this dirty, filthy thing, is under investigation. He is a criminal. We cannot entertain such fools. And I get worried when I see TV stations, a show like Good Morning Ghana, entertain a thief like Paul Adom-Otchere. Why? He's under criminal investigation. The guy has stolen from us. So a credible platform like Good Morning Ghana, you bring such a fool to come sit there to defend what? What was Paul Adom-Otchere defending? Why did you bring him on that show to defend what? It makes you people sitting on that show not credible enough to be listened to. Because for you to allow a thief, a criminal, who is under investigation, per the other special prosecutor statement, how can you allow such a person to come speak on ills in the society? Because when you're talking about ills in the society, Paul Adom-Otchere is the ill. So this thief, this criminal, who is under special investigations, in fact, there are some dirty things that Paul Adom-Otchere has done that we all know, flirting and sleeping with dogs on the streets, pretending he doesn't know them, thief like this, sleeping with dirty creatures, very filthy, dirty girls, spending the taxpayers' money, such a dirty monster.
Vrij, Fabian Räumen. Fabian frei, Fabian Räumen. Fabian frei, Fabian Räumen. Fahrbahn räumen.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South. Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay.
Video yo. VRB when you when the video started, Paul Adom-Otchere's statement to make here behind that video say, I found a who made the only girlfriend. Mante, take your time and listen. In the video, girl near video no, Paul can say, I feel that the world will see my only girlfriend. Now I feel no my dad sorry. But when you take your time and listen to the background. As man Paul Eka. I feel that the world will my only girlfriend. Paul Adom-Otchere, listen to him again. A dirty fool like Paul. Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon, South. Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too.
Been a horny old girlfriend.
Okay.
This guy, Paul, is a dirty guy. There's a lot I'm going to show you. Uncle Crow, or your cromfo, or your political prostitute, a dirty riffraff. Into the TV so na nice kokko in the name of God me say we Nyankopon ku ne to twene Nyankopon or the Nyankopon din na da dankofo oyewi. So he is another suspected criminal spending taxpayers money per the special prosecutor statement, spending taxpayers money per the special prosecutor statement. Paul Adom-Otchere is a suspected criminal. We cannot forget Paul Adom-Otchere in our statement. This guy is the El Capitano. Paul Adom-Otchere free her. Kwamfo wa Ghana pa or ye dangerous or no other demo between boat Timutu onye your friend Williams and Nefi Sapon. Or your armed robber or say your internet fraudster. A very dangerous guy. Odahwa Najua, this guy. So man crime man visit you few once. The next 2 days, armed robbers will come to your house. Your friend Williams and Nefi Sapon, El Capitano. Chrono Mwananta. Chrono blue. Chrono Golda, Apino soap, Aquawi. Oyerepa. And be careful about Williams and Nefi Sapon. He's an internet fraudster and also an armed robber. Do not underestimate this guy. Do not underestimate this guy. When you put this guy and Paul together, you get something called a poisonous material. But on a serious note, this boy Williams and Nefi Sapon, he does not kill or he does not steal from people alone. He does it with his parents, He does it with his dad. That's his dad. Or bokrono na onene papa ne papa nie. Papa ne ka ho no mo sa krono no. Fraud on the internet so. Omu wian kofo esuma me adi etuo ekobon kofo ku omo. Boy we onene papa we omu nyina nim sa adwumade no. Atasa na nkasa no no. Williams and Nefi Sapon, a criminal. Ne maame is part of the group. Ne maame ni asori for besra wo fie say sebio ohon fawo. Omu kwa na waka kire de ba no. Oh ye ko ni fie ho no. Ura ha a bedroom, ura ha a hall. Internadwum ura ha maame no obesra wa hwa ohun ye. Ofru fie kwa 3 days akromfo beba. Williams and F is upon them, I mean, dangerous human beings. Ye gunsa. Aka 1 minute in a started show no. Uja kwa. Inti, do not underestimate Williams and F is upon. Ne maame e can ring no criminal ring na wa build no. Ne maame ne papa, they are part of the criminal ring. Inti baby abe hu boy we bia anadwi say bia wo baby na otewa, be careful. Anadwi sa wo baby na otewa ono namfofo tewo mudi nkomo na se sa boy we e wo ho bia shen tutu or a dangerous human being or a kromfo obunkofo or ye ri ade bi obeka se oye bia no, be careful or a dangerous. Thank you very much. Mr. P, I need the picture of Hilo. Please, tomorrow, let's add Hilo's picture because we want to make sure Hilo to represent on the criminal list. Hilo, I'm Hilo. It's Mr. S, Mr. P. Please, Ochina, you guys should get me Hilo's picture so that we can add Hilo to the list. We have a list of criminals we always want to put out there for people to see. Now, Hadier. And sorry, about exactly 5:48 p.m., exactly 10 p.m., 10 pepepe, na start Bryan Acheampong, Kennedy Japan, and the Bawumia story, no, me be jum, and mobia to the econoso. Now, I'm for 15 minutes, and you just stories to be munchiremo. Now, won't to me radio, Kumase, Yasinkophobia from Asante NPP youth. Yeah, there you go. Closure of Wuntumi Radio, an attempt to silence our grassroots. You see, a Kobi was Santimemu, Nana Pia, or two from Chiao, Medopa, Nana, and Nana Yako, Yenana, and the Benkumso, Yabe Cradi Chipe Fefe, na Sibio, Yaba, Aso, Abayeni Chi, Yefe, na Yaticha Santimai, Nana Medo, na also Domi. Onana Kevin Taylor Chenchin, Nana Mini, Onana Nubi Jimmy, Intimvetiamo, Nana Medase, so I'm green light. Yeah. Closure of Wuntumi Radio, an attempt to silence our grassroots. Yasim Rantebu Asantimemu, almost from Ashanti NPP. Say, I Wuntumi Radio na tumuno. Ama the whole NPP no, grassroots no, a buying air for kwambi so akamano atum and I say akamano atum. Now say from Ashanti NPP. Debi ame catch them. Me see ayena mo ba outa. Munye very specific ewo mudin so. Asante NPP and Ashanti NPP. Because in the Ashanti region, not everybody listens to Wuntumi. And not every MPP near Onimnyansan listens to Wuntumi. Someone can say Asante group, now someone can say Ashanti group. Are you guys trying to say you are representing everybody in the MPP or Asante Memuana? Me person who be Mufriba, send a bit my address because Mumu be more Jimmy. Munim adia Ashanti youth of the MPP or somewhere. You need to call your party and bring them to Ashanti region. Now monfa MPP no enko edien. Eye Krofo market. Now mon kanche mo party ni say ye ne ya Asantefo Ashanti youth e wo MPP nim. Ye ne ye mmebunu. Ye ne ye mmebunu a ye njimi ye. Ye nye mmebunu a ye nom red. Ye nye mmebunu nkwasiafo. Ye party ni ba ben mu na de na mo ye wo ha. Market we ma meto. Or some of our party in Penifo, and I'm doing Sewia. Mo pese who the importance of Ashanti youth. Mo yan kwasia forma. So muni munyansa and come go jina Sewia. Na my press conference. Na ma demand say adentina mo party no. Mo 8 years no. Omo MBA Sewia. Some way Ashanti youth na mo ya Asante fon kwara muni munyansa mo MPP mo because I say Ashanti youth o person say MPP Asante fon mo MPP nya no ye ka mo MPP Asante fon mo MPP no mo bi mo agimi no mo na me address mo senka muni munyansa na mo ye mebu no mo pesa Asante man koso a ka mo de mo kwasia be frɛ MPP for the free crime so omombra Afare hospital adentina mo beto hospital a 99% done omontima mbie hospital no e ma mo nananom ne mo ma amene mo a na nso ben ayeye mu bi no a ebi mo fibroid de mo yem ebi mo nyim na omo wuwu no ade no mo mbie ama hospital na anje omo nkwa mo so mo ya Ashanti youth of the NPP mo ye nwan Samuni munyansa ankata mo tufo eka se yenjeje coins na yemfa save konfo no che no mo Ashanti youth no samunya mwa anka mo beka se ye ne NPP Ashanti youth no ye pese ye party ne ba na oba renovate konfo no che no na ye nananom no ene ye maamenom no enya ayarsabia papa ko nwan agenda 111 Samuya Ashanti youth amoye NPP mu amuni munyansa ka mbe frɛ mu NPP ni sɛ agenda 111 no dian pa na mosi no Asante memu a ye nananom ye nuanom ne ye nuanom ma omonyam ombetuma kom akonya yaresa mo se frɛ mu dian NPP Ashanti youth mu ye nwan mu ye nwan muni munyansa mo agimi sa kind of youth we ye fan kyekere man sa youth we sa NPP Ashanti youth we yemfa nkyekere man mu ye nwan ma senka mu ni munyansa ena mo se mu ye mbebunu a e so mo ti ase se Ashanti regional mo no debi daache no eye mo na hye mo nsa na ye de tumi ama mo party no for 8 years na sa impuntudwuma we nyina ebetumi aboa Asante man mbebunu ene mo maamenom ne mo maamenom mo nuanom a mo anyanyam emma ma ankomotumi enya obrabo a bebre efiri mu no anka mo NPP Ashanti youth no sa munye ntwamoa sa munya nkwasiafo bi a anka mo beka mano abom na maka se ye pese ye party ne kire adenti ena omubedi su no Asante mamu galamse gi oman ne faaye mo NPP youth Ashantifo mo ye moa ye nto sabio sa meto sabi kura anka megimi Ashanti youth of the NPP mo ye nwan sa meto sabi kura anka me kwasea na de ye pe ope adepaba Kotoko no yedi na bro na ye tikronim ena NPP fo beka say ya dani Kumasi Airport International Airport election 2024 na aka 2 days me ato aba Paul Adom-Otchere Acheampong begina otumfo anyim Asante fo ahemfo nyina mampon hene na due ahemfo akese omo ma Asante memu ye be say omo lai ebegu Kumasi Airport se school fo ene ye beka chem say Kumasi adane International Airport plane tenchirenchire fi Dubai Germany America ba besi wo ebesi nne plane international plane bi ansi Asante memu Airport entwamoa mo from Ashanti NPP youth mo ye nwan on mo ntumi an question mo party no enimtia a omo de bu Asante man ne Asante hene modane emmoa ena mo from NPP Ashanti youth magimi na mo man ne kyekere ma hwan me akọ ahunani na memeka na yamfa mpuntiomra mo me akọ ahunani ba no me na mudi matam sa me ma me ahunani no me na membe primpuntiomra o na wo ya Asante ni mbebunu na wo NPP wo na wo se wo ya Ashanti youth no e de na wo pre o pre na twibini dia yankwan e de na wo pre e de ama Asante man no ma Asante hu hia wo na de bi otumfo ka no na adwen se ose mo ma abini hia mo ose mo ma mpuntio hia mo mu bi mu agimi mu ni munyansa partner mu di akire se ntwamoa wuntumi radio edum enti grassroots of NPP hwe mu de saa agimi no mantwe mo ho a mutimu ana mu bi mapaito mutimu ana mo NPP Ashanti youth no motue dua mo besoro anopa obetwe mu na motue dua because mu bi mu agimi se ya antiamo na ye nyimu emfiri saa mu gimi no ho a motete saa Asante manimu eyam ho NPP youth na mudua epiepie na mataban efufu na motuko ne abomtuo pay ato atwene because muni munyansa mu bi mu agimi. The communication minister made it clear the document is there. They were shut down because of regulatory violations. Na mo ya Ashanti youth mun kinkan ti ase and our school na mompe. There was a reason why they were shut down. So munim say oman no ana aban no eye bibie tia omde omfa ahode a ade na wuntumi ni asase radio mu na ye shut down oman court. My say toilet mumwa mu NPP Ashanti youth. My say toilet mumwa. Aban no ba ye no or the krata beto abontene ka say wenti ena medum radio no na samoso mu ya Ashanti youth amunim nyansa makọ school e chen me no ade na mon kan krata ne kan che wuntumi so onko court. Mumubi munja jimi no na saa tete politics no wo fa beja mejapadia politics no etwamo momfa nyansamra mommeka de Ghana fo peso mutie Mon starting kan okranchira Asanteman na sebio Asantefo ana Ghana fo muti Asantememu a omu NPP se enkwasiafo party no ebe start etie mu na saa jimisem we emfa tumi mramu o saa de na mote TikTok ye sesi ade ye se Ghana fo nu omo ho hwe wodi amo mai se ntwamwa munim nyansa ye kan okranchira na mudwumoto yeah, kind of correction. But I'm going to tell you people, Asante NPP youth party muno omo mo Jimmy Panemo. Mon pass Antiman ye. Mongola Shakomo. Omo nya NPP for omo jina up aya aban we so say yenye Krofo market. Sa boys no from some yen tough for. And obi sorry, na say or kasa atia NPP pe. The first one beka say onya Santini. Ya Asantefo ade papa be na e dia ba fie and the obi an sorry and criticize NPP one criticize Bawumia one criticize party nkwasi ade hey wey ya kohwe na se na onya Asantini ya Asantefo e die na wa Asante e die na e de baaye obi a wontoma gu ni fie o obi a wo chacha wo fie e ba pakan ya obi a tobi and the chain, gold chain, you to be spray obia gunu gold chain. Obia to be frantoma. Obia to be the din to no hoso. Na dear ebemaya bow dino any dear a siu fia odo on sako kromotibetne. A dear now bet to me de one sa atanaso, say when a mamma Santini. Ebini ho. Ye busa question penama than interior decorators. Nama than TikTok followers. Nama start editing of watem. Nama start busa we free we the nasinye we the go school da we the okasati say we the no your time we the oya ne nyoma bi say dipa bi say ye busa question penamuti moto na debi no en adehye be da ne nkoa e wasantememu maka kire mo meka ne debi a enwumbre edition we e otumfo say ditu na ma green light na meka kire mo asantefo ni bi me say enche mo adehye ni bi na yetubufo amonte no mo beda ne nkoa wasantememu a start a change na enche se mumu bi mo amo NPP mu na mo de Asanteman eye politics and the oka NPP pe ne atam party no de be hye menhia enti wo ka party ni mu pe yeso ka menhia ni mu he se man twe mo ho amfiri sa ade ni mu a the NPP it will be gone forever and medin ka catch them I'm nullifying the party. Enyumbre episode way sa piece we am here it is sponsored by Menhia. Otumfo say to me na me dono ono na ma me green light say me nka monim na mumubi ne nana no bi mu agimi ma ya jimi taba party agimi mo mumubi mu agimi monsua se ne yedi mpunti obafie se ne ye kondi mpunti obafie and uko Japan ye fufu ho it is not exclusive to Asantefo. Say no people from Kwan of Vietnam, Ubenya Biedi, and you're exclusive to Asantefo. Nobody owns anything in this world again. Nobody's entitled to anything. In this one, will say we are unique. Now you can't with him say man put your brow chrome. Send a bear won't aqua will be chrome. Now won't idea aqua emian you say a booby or none no more than enqua. Now just here do a tema. Watch out 10 years, you will see what will happen. Mama yanko enim uja me makacho otumfo do me na me dono ohini kesi ba akwa me pen asem de me ye wo ha nyina otumfo ma me green light into what time ya uja kwa jimi na ujimi ho enko be bia medwudwam mesa ba bedwudwam ya to aso now ya see akotia it's exactly 10 o'clock mama me 3 minutes bi na me fan kill stories way. Yes, see, police arrest 10 suspects, recovered 9 weapons in separate operations at Acheampong ahead of by-election. Yes, see, police for Akochi nipa eye du nipa du. Omaji etuo nkwa 9 efro munsem etuo nkono. Ni nyina wa Acheampong election ebe ni 2nd September. Saturday na yebe election 2nd September and the police for the IGP is on the ground. And then I'm here interview be imeburu bi a omo Acheampong say hey no munim say police for no ombetuma bo adwuma say the amount of and the number of police omo hu omo kro omo bohu that is we making sure we are enforcing peace. Peace needs to be enforced. It is something you don't have to negotiate. Part and Ghana na could do Pomponsobia. Nipebi imagine say we have been negotiating for peace for too long. Now we need to enforce peace in Ghana. And that is what the IGP is doing. And he's doing that professionally. He's not going to hurt you, but he'll make sure peace prevails and security of the citizenry is paramount. And anything that the IGP is putting everything in place to make sure say nipa baku pohun ka during the elections ewakutia. And ye chinko foji to free omunsem. Yet say NPP say I among trusted police no if you say ablekuma no yanche suspect and the report about say suspect by 8 yache omunyina ablekuma incident no. So the police is on the ground, the police is working. Now the question here is the NPP and anybody who is thinking of causing mayhem in Acheampong still thinking of doing that, Anna? Because if you try, the police, if you believe you don't trust the police, then stay home. Because the same police we have in Ghana, they were the same police that were recruited by the NPP administration. Police for NDC beto you know, and NPP for the farm. Since the NDC by power, maintains you have police for 20,000. Since it say NDC bar power, maintain say afa new recruits be 20,000 policemen, 10,000 policemen, mean TB. Inti say NPP bar bonte catch say they don't trust the police to give full protection. It means the recruitment you people made before you left power, no, they were not qualified to be in the Ghana Police Service. It means nyomana na mokachere say ma recruited so many people in the police, no, you recruited thugs. Per your statement, it means the recruitment you did, you knew said the people you were putting in the Ghana Police Service, they were not right to be in the Ghana Police Service. Because Saudi said, if are the right people in the Ghana Police Service, you will not step out of government in 8 months and tell us, say, you do not trust the Ghana Police Service. That means this political party, a friend NPP, no more Jimmy. That party is not a party that anybody can trust. How can you recruit police personnel and leave power in 6, 7, 8 months and tell me, say, you don't trust the same recruits now, That it means there's a problem with your recruits. It means the way are recruiting police, Unim say some of them are thugs in there. They are not supposed to be in there. That is why you are scared today. The same thugs will be fighting you people. It is I want to say, NPP can say, we don't trust the police. We don't trust the police. Let's ask them, why don't you trust the police? Because today, Ablekuma North, the incidents that happened during the by-election, it has been dealt with. The police, they have arrested 8 suspects. Now, NPP say, I still don't trust the police. It means the NPP is a political party. And police force. The NPP cannot be trusted. The NPP is a bad political party. Omunimunyansa, omudi boniwia Machiavellian tactics na. Omuko sensu na no maba. No masa akose oh ye na etkoti nsuo ni into Mumbai and so. Wona offer police for we nyina. The current IGP, Nana Addo Dankwa and the deputy to IGP, Dampare. So technically, John Dramani Mahama, since he came into office, on changing BBSA. The only changes John Mahama has made is the CID and a few police leaders. But the hierarchy. Sandy Pa or Dampare, no Dampare deputy. I didn't be shame, no. Onena Mahama by also on taking over. And this original case, you don't trust the police. That it means the decisions you guys made before you left office, it was a deliberate decision. Now, when you say it was wrong. And it's because Dampare is not there. Or because Dampare cannot bring his boys to do the job for you. Because from what I know, Dampare had police in the police who were doing Dampare's bidding for him. That is what I know. That Dampare had his own military police inside the police. That if even you are a police officer and you don't talk well, Dampare's boys will discipline you. That is the kind of police Dampare created. He created a dangerous police in the Ghana Police Service. So we had police who were going after policemen because they were given or they had been given the room by Dampare to do damage. That is why today you are telling us you don't trust the police. It is because you people know what Dampare was using the police to do. But we all know Acheampong by-election is an open by-election. At the end of the day, Acheampong is an NPP stronghold. At the end of the day, Acheampong seat, NPP diane kuto omudada. So we expect the NPP to put a lot of message out to win. Unless NPP for him say 2024, they had to beat people at Acheampong. Actually, NPP for him said 2024 numbers no munya no. Omo the incumbency etata nkofo Akotia nti no munya sa number no. But say NPP nim say omo wini Akotia legitimately. They should go into Akotia with an open heart. If they believe say Akotia for beje o masema tuma, because right now no mebunu na wo Akotia no opese abani create opportunity mano. Me no ka say ende yafa police assistant for me sure say Akotia mrantie bi wom. And I'm not say apprenticeship program. Yeah, expanding no. Eden mbebuno mo Akotia bebrebeje biaye. Me no say ya wo mbebuno a omo firi Akotia omako university a first year omo ntua fees. Omo firi Akotia omo nya university omo hwe de ekọ. Me no say ya wo nkwara mo Akotia senior high school wo ha and omo hu say free SHS na ekọ yi. Me no say ya Ghana for Akotia omo hu senia oman no kyekye sikasem senia ende omo tonyoma ne bo wo fom. Omo hu senia inflation aba fom. Ya wankofo Akotia omo ya Ghana fo omo de ekọ ya wa adwadifo no mo Akotia omo be compare time na NPP wa ban mu no omo sika na da ho ene ende sika da ho sika omo tumesie ene sika omo tumesie so omo ko bank na omo ko bo de besia insiwu na e wo ho time NPP wo ho ene ende insiwu e wo ho enti saa nipa no mo Akotia no omo be asese we nyina na omo buso omo se enti ye ko yenimi se sia na oba parliament a NPP agui se mede me aba ekoma NPP a ede na menya se Akotia ni because Akotia fo hia kwan Akotia fo hia adwuma Akotia fo hia impuntio se sia no one join the bus na edi impuntio beba na at the end of the day one kasa na waye wo ho enti Akotia fo no omo tie obia Akotia omo tie obia message omo nyankwasiafo omo ye Ghana fo a sebio enkwanda amanfo bi sa no omo peso sabi omo so peso mu mpuntio omo so peso mu se de John Mahama ne NDC for de aba no omo benya hu bi mfaso every say ne Akotia fo fa NPP ni kotena parliament a ne so mfaso ne de en Mike say ende ebia yekoyi parliamentary member every Akotia no ye NDC ni a ebia ne akoy deputy minister ebi krampa na John Mahama manako head institution bia obetume di anim edi indwuma aba Akotia inti so ye Akotia ni na wo hweme a na wonim nyansa ehe ena obefa obepe MP a yesi akokọ a obe oni oni na onya abebesre akokọ a oben oni no ono enenya abebesre na sebio Akotia for sebio omo hu de ekoso Ghana kura no omo ni ntua insuo toy no manhu a ade achi ewia boy omo hu fom omo nim de ekọ omo nim se NDC betena so ache omo peso percent punto ni bi ba na mehu videos bebre wa Akotia enkofo akọ politicians akọ ekwan ni nyina ye kọ NPP tena so mfie wotwe yentu efa ko talengu Akotia kwan bia so enso minim se sa abrantie ya oye NDC ni ne priority be se obeka no ho abe President Mahama me ya be Akotia kwan every say onim se oye kwan no because our power our parliament no oye kwan no obetena so ache nti yepe de okọ akope bibia ba enye de okọ twa ne siechi enu bi ne yeso Bawumia se onko ne krom election 2024 na onko wini aba wo sirem ene ne krom boko obaya ode kuraba ne baaye onko fo chance mbra ne ntie bro gari ngumu no okoye no ode kuraba ne baaye nti obetuma so Bawumia se onko biom on the okoba ode ya ane na beba so this is what Akotia for they are watching omunjimi yo de ekoso no sa Mahama oman ya o chichiri NDC for de omoye no omohwe omo so person omo part of the Mahama goodwill sa impuntu na eba constituencies ni regions bia no na omo say omo so person omo ben omo ni na sebio akokọ sere no anase abebe sere no omo nsaka bi inti se babru bi tia Akotia obehwe NPP so omo agimi afen na NPP be kire de omo ya ma Akotia for infie nwotwe akoya NPP for paradini ne fuhwe left ne bema ehwe left ne nikosua ehwe stro ne nan kokromoti ehwe south and asebio ne pa ehwe north east sa brantie we wo de myself to nenima on to me kan osako parliamentar onim namba bi okọ join Akotiafo so hiam puntio Akotiafo omu hiam puntio enti den Akotiafo nye obanyansafo yebuni be yenka nasem bebesa abara mkoto nyansem obanyansafo yebuni be yenka nasem NDC betena so for 42 years. NDC betena so 42 years. Obanyansafo yebuni be yenka nasem akokọ a oban oni one na nya abebesere. So opese onu munsuo da wow problem. So opese sebio oban oni na akokọ abebesere no unya bi dia eno so mu problem. Akotiafo obanyansafo